These 5 tiny habits take under 2 minutes, and they can transform your focus, energy, and discipline faster than any big routine. Most people overlook these habits because they seem too small to matter. But the science is clear. Tiny actions, repeated daily, create massive long-term change. And no, we're not talking about the usual advice you've heard 1,000 times. These are practical, realistic habits I use every day, and anyone can start today. The 2-minute morning plan. Your brain hates chaos, but it loves clarity. Every morning, take just 2 minutes and write down your single most important task and two optional tasks if you have extra time. This tiny system does something powerful. It eliminates decision fatigue, the thing that drains most of your energy before you even start working. Instead of thinking, where do I even begin? Your brain instantly knows the plan. People who plan in micro steps are consistently more productive, less stressed, and make fewer impulsive decisions. 2 minutes a day equals a dramatically smoother day. The 30-second reset. This rule is stupidly simple. If something takes less than 30 seconds, do it immediately. Put your keys back, close one tab, throw away one piece of trash, wipe one surface. It sounds tiny, but here's the psychology behind it. Each of these micro actions reduces the amount of unfinished tasks stacking up in your brain. Those micro frustrations create background stress without you noticing. The 30-second reset keeps your environment and your mind clean. And a clean mind makes better decisions. Drink a glass of water right after waking up. This is one of the fastest ways to boost your morning energy. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, you're slightly dehydrated, even if you don't feel it. 1 glass of water increases oxygen flow to the brain, improves early focus, wakes up your digestive system, reduces morning sluggishness. It's a simple signal to your brain. The day has started. Let's move. And it takes under 20 seconds. Disable one notification you don't need. Notifications are tiny dopamine traps, and the average person checks their phone 58 times a day. Often because of notifications they don't even care about. Here's the habit. Once a day, disable one notification you don't truly need. Just one. This does 2 things. You slowly take back control of your attention. Your phone stops deciding when you should think about something. After a month, you'll have removed 30 distractions and regained an insane amount of mental space. 1-sentence evening reflection. This is not journaling. It's literally just 1 sentence about your day. Something like, today I avoided procrastination for 2 hours. Felt stressed after lunch. Need to fix that. Great focus in the morning. This habit does 3 powerful things. It builds self-awareness. It strengthens discipline. It creates a timeline of your growth without any effort. After a month, you'll have 30 sentences and a clear picture of how your life is actually changing. If you want more micro habits that create real change with minimal effort, subscribe to Better Life Guide. Tiny steps, huge results.